Gentlemen, we are near the south end of Walters. We're gonna just do a quick tour of what is to be done by some of the production gangs, aka rail gangs. We got railway on both sides. Apparently that is where you can see, this is an elevated curve. You can see they got sticks of rail just laid out. You can see that is where one piece of rail ends. And that is where another piece of rail begins. And they got it all up and down the track. Apparently here ain't gonna get any CNS work, I thought. And then yeah. But yeah, they have it apparently on both sides of the track. And they put a cold patch. They did that on the other side too. You can see on this side. So this is brand new rail. Goes on both sides of the tracks. And yeah. Oh yeah, that tie's gonna get changed out with the green paint. But not many ties through here. See, they have it all up and down the line, just strung out. And that's where they dropped one, ended another one, and yeah.